Hello friends, this is the lecture number 2 for the third chapter, source of fund for joint stock company, and today we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the preference shares from the company point of view and from the shareholder point of view. Okay, means when the shareholder invest in the or purchase to the preference shares, so from both sides there are advantages and disadvantages. Getting over, see here, source of fund for joint stock company. This is the chapter number 3. Okay, so I am going to discuss these points: advantages from the company's point of view, advantages from the shareholder point of view, advantages and disadvantages, advantages and disadvantages. These part from the company's point of view and this part from the shareholder point of view. Okay. First, advantages from the company point of view. Appeal to cautious investor. This is the first point in your book, which is advantages of the preference share from the company's point of view. Getting over. So appeal to cautious investors means which investors they are very cautious, means they are very attention, okay, and who want to invest in such type of shares which they are safe. So for those investors the preference share is good. So preference shares appeal to those investors, come and invest in these preference shares. Getting over? कहने का मतलब ये है, ये ऐसे शेयर होल्डर्स को अपील करता है कंपनी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, कंपनी की तरफ से, कि जो सेफ मोड में इन्वेस्ट करना पसंद करते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें पैसे डूबने की चांसेस बहुत कम रहते हैं. सेकंड, नो चार्ज ऑन एसेट्स. नो चार्ज ऑन एसेट्स. प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स इशू के केस में कोई भी एसेट्स पे चार्ज नहीं होता है. प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स मतलब कोई भी एसेट्स मॉर्गेज नहीं होता है इन द केस ऑफ इशूइंग प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स. तो एक कंपनी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से क्या है, एक एडवांटेज है. थर्ड, नो बर्डन ऑन प्रॉफिट. अ वेरी लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ डिविडेंड, अ वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ डिविडेंड ऑफ द कंपनी, वट एवर कंपनी गेट from its business, so company distribute that part of profit in the preference shareholder. So there is no too much burden on profits. Next, no interference in management. In the case of preference shareholder, there is very lack of interference in management. Okay, why? Because they are not having voting rights. If preference shareholder having voting rights, then that case the value of preferences will be very high. Okay, my dear students. But in this case, there is no voting rights in the case of preferences. There is a very limited voting right. So in this case, there are no interference in management. First. Fifth, trading on equity. Trading on equity means the dividend of preference shares on equity. On preference equity, company gets the loan and invests as in equity. So the rate of interest is less compared to dividend. The rate of interest is less compared to dividend. That is called trading on equity, where it means borrowed fund, where borrowed fund be utilized for the operation of the business, that is called trading on equity. Flexibility. So in the case of preference share there is too much flexibility. Okay, so these all are the advantages of the company point of view. Disadvantages from the company point of view: costly sources. Definitely it's a very special type of conditions which company issues preference shareholder, so it is a costly process. Second one is permanent burden. Yes, definitely on company feels it's permanent burden, whatever the rate of dividend company is paying to the preference shareholder, this is the permanent burden for the company to the preferential holder. Third is legal formalities in the case of issuing preference shares. Number third, legal formalities in the case of issuing preference shares. There are too much legal formalities is over there, because in the case of preference shares, every company cannot issue preference shares. So there are some legal formalities which have to follow, which have some compliances which have to follow by the companies for issuing preference shares. Low appeal. Yes, it's a very big disadvantage because investors don't want to invest in the case of preference shares. Only those investors want to invest who are searching for the safe mode, who want to be in very safe mode. So it's a very less appeal in investors. So these all are the advantages and disadvantages. These all are the disadvantages, and this is the advantages. Getting from the shareholder point of view. From the shareholder point of view, first one is a stable and regular dividend. In the case of preference share, shareholder gets the stable and regular dividend. Means in the case of loss, the shareholder receive the amount of dividend. So what is this? It means company give the dividend in the case of loss also. Second, less risk. Yes, very less risk in the case of preference shareholder, because in the case of loss, company pay the amount of dividend, and in the case of winding up of the company, before the equity shares, company pay the amount of capital to preference shareholder. Third, repayment of capital. Yes, it is the one more advantages for the shareholder point of view. What? Repayment of capital. Repayment of capital. It means company repay the amount of capital to the preferential holder in the case of winding up of the company before the equity shares. Next, accumulation of dividend. Which shareholder don't want to withdraw money time to time or year by year? Means if they want to get money by lump sum method, by lump sum amount, okay, after a few years, after a fixed period of time, then in the case of accumulation of dividend, company has given the option of, in the case of cumulative preference shares, in the types of preference share already we have seen, accumulation of dividend means dividend accumulate year by year, and company gives the advantages to the shareholders. These all are the advantages from the shareholder point of view. Disadvantages means first is limited voting rights, very limited voting rights. So this is the very important point. What? This is the very disadvantage. First disadvantages of the preference share. There is very limited voting rights. Fear of being shown the door. Fear of being shown the door. It means when the company needed, the company raised the fund and company asked to the preference shareholder. When the need of the company, when the fulfill of the need of the company, then company don't give the, you can say, भाव, इनको भाव देना बंद कर देती है. सो उनके लिए क्या होता है, एक बहुत ऐसा कंडीशन होता है कि जब कंपनी को जरूरत होती है तभी इनको भाव मिलता है. तीसरा, नो कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशंस. No capital appreciations means there is no any capital appreciations. Whatever the fixed amount of dividend they receive. So this is the disadvantages of the preference shareholder in the case of company viewpoint and the case of shareholder viewpoint. If you have any problem and in any point, if you have problem, then you can ask. Okay, my dear friends. So please prepare your notes. It's a very technical chapter. If you will not prepare your notes, then you will lose your marks in the board exam. So please be aware from this chapter. This chapter is most important chapter from your examination point of view. And if you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay, my dear friends. For today, thank you very much.